Hello everyone, welcome to Speaking Tamil Ideas. Today, I'm going to tell 6 VADA MOZHI Eluththukkal. Yes, apart from Tamil alphabets, we have 6 additional letters. We say VADA MOZHI Eluththukkal. Sanskrit characters. These letters we are using for names, mostly names, and there are some other words also. First, Shri. Shri. This letter, it's a symbolic Sanskrit character. Very rare. We can see this letter in temples. The gods' names are having this letter. Example, Shri Krishna, Srinivasa, Shri Skanda, Shri Devi, like that. Other 5 letters are Ich, Ish, Ich, Ish, Iksh. These letters can mix with vowels and form 12 mixed letters. Those will explain in next series. Thanks for watching.